Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Achilles Financial, and today we're going to be talking about earnings this week because this is going to be one of the largest weeks of the year when it comes to earnings and the companies that are reporting in terms of market cap. In particular, over 40% of the companies in QQQ by market capitalization are going to be announcing earnings this week. Some of the companies that are going to be announcing can be found on the Schwab website by going to the earnings calendar. Now, what I would note if I come over here onto Monday, the main items I'm going to be looking for are after close. The only one of in particular note is going to be that Nucor, which is a heavy steel manufacturer that we've talked about on the channel previously. However, later in the week, I want to call out some of the larger companies that are going to be announcing, such as GM, UPS, Pfizer, General Motors, Johnson Controls. I was thinking that was Johnson & Johnson, different company there. And then you can see after market hours, some of the big dogs that are going to be announcing include Microsoft, Alphabet, and AMD. These are three companies that have been very, very popular in terms of the broader market moves. However, I don't want to discount companies like Stryker and Starbucks. However, we are just getting started. Going on into the week, you can see MasterCard and Thermo Fisher, as well as Boeing, who has been in the news quite a bit lately, are going to be announcing. And then after close, another big QQQ player with Qualcomm, and then MetLife and Aflac are announcing as well. And then Thursday is when we're going to see the roundabout finish for a lot of these larger companies, including Merck and Honeywell. And then if you scroll down below, you can see that we're going to close it out from the tech side with our good friends at Apple, Amazon, and Meta-Facebook. So this is a monumental week in terms of a market that is currently at all-time highs. Again, if we go back to QQQ, just because I think that this is a good representation of some of the broader market moves, and it does have a larger weighting than a lot of the SPY players, you can see we hit an all-time high last week. We've been hovering around those all-time highs. The question is going to be, with the large majority of the companies in this indices, you can see from a holdings perspective and the percentage, with the large percentage of them announcing earnings this week, is this going to be a new leg up, or could we see a return to reality where we see a pretty heavy correction based off these results? There's going to be a lot of companies that are going to be providing forecasts, and I think the forecast is going to be what is going to be pushing these companies either higher or lower, not just their earnings. So there's going to be a lot to digest. We're going to cover it here on the channel. And if you find that type of content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.